So what's good guys? Ngayon maglalaro tayo ng Moth Lake. So ngayon ko lang lalaroin to. So let's start. So na to, easy, medium, difficult. So dito sa medium guys. Yan. So this game is played in the dark with headphones and screen. Nah, I don't care. This game with flashing lights. Ayos lang yan. Okay, then let's get started. Okay, so countryside of Moth Lake the night before the eclipse. So gabi. Uy, bata tayo ngayon guys. Countryside. Ayun yun. Yun. Oh, hala. What? Wag ano yan? Wagi. Tulong. Wagi, go away, leave me alone. Oh, leave me alone. Help! Help, tulong! Huh? It was just a nightmare. Ay, panaginip lang pala. Oh, I don't want to get out of the bed, but I feel real bad. Naiihi daw siya. Story out. To move around, touch the screen anywhere and move the fingers slightly in the other direction. Okay, so yan. Move. Tatap yung screen. Interact with objects and people. Okay, interact. Billy, where are you? Sino yung Billy? Kuya? Billy, yung cabinet to. Ito. Aso. Aso yung Billy. Stop barking. I told your father in the wood. I don't want to find you and they're still here. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin? Okay, nasa another room na tayo. Okay, may Mother, father, do you hear me? Korto ng mga magulang niya. They aren't answering. I better stop making noise or they will hit me again. Damn, that's so sad. Okay, check the other room. What is it? Billy, did you see something? Ano yun? Talagang mga aso eh. May mga nakikita na si Sense. Ano? Ito. Billy, did you see that? Kaya nagulat yung aso men. Billy, stop. Bakit tumakbo? Billy, saan pupunta? Ano yun? The fuck is that? Billy. Follow Billy, follow. Kagi. Ano yun? Laki. Kung base tumaba ni Billy ah. Billy, he ran out. Damn. Yan, kunin natin. Yun yung key. Okay. Then, anong gagawin natin? To open the inventory. Okay. So, meron na tayong key sa inventory. Then, saan tayo pupunta? Okay. This door is locked. Ito yung susi. Lang. Inventory key, then lock. Good. Okay. Where in the heck did you go, Billy? Saan yung aso? I shouldn't go after dark. Dapat ako kasi yung natatakot, hindi yung aso. Ba, yan. Saan tayo pupunta? Mapapagalitan na naman tayo. Yun. Next. Cornfield. Countryside of Moth Lake. Yan. Dito ako natatakot sa mga cornfield. Tapos ang tataas pa. Grabe. Yun. Ay, ano yun? Scarecrow. I don't like the scarecrows. Me too. Kang pangit. Gumalaw. Shit. Tago. Ay. Uy, gumalaw. Ayun yung kanina. Dang. Pangit. Okay. So, saan tayo pupunta? Ito cornfield. This pit is too deep. I can't climb. Okay. Gawin natin. Yun. Push. Pupush pala. Okay. Okay, dito. Tapos yun. Okay. It's Billy's favorite toy. Ay, ano yun? Tago. Grabe. Nagugulat lang. Team yan na naman. Pangit talaga men, promise. Kala ko nawala na. Damn. Tangkad. Okay. Yun, wala na. I can hear something breathing. Siyempre, keep going tayo. Kagi kung mapano tayo dyan sa loob. Okay. Press land. Itong dami. Dami naman. Think I can push it. Also, tula na naman. Okay. Tula natin yun. Ay, hilain. Okay, next. Ba't ang dami? Lang. Ito isa. Push. Yan. Isa pa. Line natin. Push. Okay, ano yan? Sewer. Damn. Ang cute. Hello. Okay. Yun, nandyan na naman yan. Takbo. Ang bagal. Bagal, mas mabilis pa ako nun eh. Mas mabilis pa yung pagong. Bagal. Nandyan o. Yun yung galamay. Bagal naman. Bilis. Damn, faster bro. Bagal na. Malapit na tayo. Grabing pangit talaga men. Okay, now we're safe. Okay, we're safe. Punye. Nandito na naman yan. Ano to? Kagi gusto ata ako nito. Uy, crush niya ako. Pangit talaga men. Siguro kapag ako yung babae, babastirin ko yan. What am I doing here in the fields by myself at night? Di ko alam sa'yo, ba't ka kasi pumunta? Billy, where are you? I'm scared. Dapat binayaan mo na yung aso, men. Huwag ganyan. Bakit? Kaya anong gagawin natin dito sa timba? Okay, diretso. Okay, another. Countryside of Mount Lake. Aray! Pumeta. Takbo. Bagal. Bagal. Ito. Check. Yan. Stone. Kobe. Uy, ang break. Okay. Anong pangit talaga, men? Okay. Dito tayo. Ano yung babatuhin natin? Lang. Kasi palagi nandito yan. Crush niya talaga ako ah. Hindi ka tayo sasugutin, boy. Okay. So, yan. Here, then bucket. Okay, let's... Yun, stone. Batuin natin yan. Sakto. Okay, bucket. Then, saan tayo pupunta? Okay, yan na. Nandun na naman. Epal talaga ng buhay ito. Gusto ko mahanap yung aso ko, tapos... Okay, yan, wala na. Sa wakas. Okay, Billy. Did you fall into the well? Billy, did you fall in the well? Na. Okay, ito, lagay natin tong bucket na to. Yan. Jump in the bucket. Billy, are you in there? Jump in the well. Yan. Ikaw, patay na to. Yan, katangahan. Yung doll. Okay. Ito, next scene. What like high school 9 hours ago. Council of Elders started a newborn and was named Week. We're taken to the mountain of the cliff to the gain support people. Hey bro, you look like shit today. What's up? Not much. I was just thinking about my hamsters. Last night they all died while trying to get out of their cage. Really? I tried to answer escape. I found it in the street on my way to school. Glad she's so slow. Otherwise there's not telling when it's crazy animal on the run. So weird. I guess they can also sense how much Mata Lake sucks. What's on your arm, bro? So cool. You got the tattoo. Oh my. It weighs unless kids. It's mating. Don't understand. Okay. Keep your secret, boy. Hey, you big mouth back there. Oh, ganyan kasi. Can you tell me what I was thinking about? Bilis. Shut up. Let's finish your tale and answers. Ancient Greece. Ancient Greece. And more precisely, we're talking about the Spartans. Who were total assholes. What's your language or I'll kick your ass? Excuse me, Mr. Chrysalis. Okay. Pwede sana i-skip. In-skip ko na lang eh. Okay. Uy, so ibang character na tayo. Ay, yung bata namatay. This door is locked. Ay, yung bata namatay. Grabe. So, saan tayo pupunta? Toby. Weird. I thought I heard Fred. Toby, come with me. Sino si Fred? Do you asshole think you are funny? Fred is still. Come, Toby. Ay! Puro dugo. Maybe this is where the janitor keeps. Ano to? Ay, gagi. Ano tong lala? Sexist man. Ano yan? Ito. So, yung susi. Ayun. Ano? Yun, yung susi. Okay. Gagi, may sikreto pala. Si janitor natin. What was I thinking? Ano to? It's just a book. Yan na naman. Ano? What the Kala ko yung scarecrow. Okay, Toby. Freddy, how is it possible? Huh? You. Ikaw walang mata. I died. Hahaha. Nakakatawa dun, men. Patay ka na nga, tapos nakakatawa pa. Grabe. Okay, escape. Tago. Baka nandyan na naman yung scarecrow. Ang epal na, pangit na nga eh. Sneak tayo. May entrance. Saan dito? Ihi tayo. Yun. Shit, now I also have hallucinations. Lagi, nagda-drugs ata to. Okay, what? Ano to? Ano to? Ito. Huh? Saan ko pipindutin? Scarecrow. Ano parang puzzle? Ano puzzle? Grabe. Okay, kala ko horror game, may puzzle pala. Okay. Ito yung ayaw ko, yung talagang may mga puzzle yung bistakbuhan eh. Some days anxiety. It's hard to describe how I feel. Nightmare surface from me. I miss Fred. What's up? Are you freaked out by the dustbin? Huh? Ba't may babae dito sa kanang lalaki ah? Kung nagdo-drawing. Okay, buksan natin to. Yan. Buksan natin. Okay, walang tao. Basurahan. What's gross thing in there? Looks like I used thumb. Yuck! What yan? Don't look at me. I haven't had my period in months. Buntis siguro. Isan tayo pupunta. Lang. Ayaw lumabas eh. Did he hit you again? It's just the way he is. He isn't a bad guy. Damn. Girls, there's a pizza place over there. What? I'm not... To bullying. Nagtasuntukin na. Leave him alone. Cora, and please don't body shame. Yan, ganyan talaga. Ganyan ang tama kay Toby. What are you doing in there, guys? I could ask you the same thing. Mrs. Pupa keeps poking around. She's always watching the girls. Uy, no. Yeah, nobody bothers us. You know, Alba. What do you mean with such matters? You. Does this incel really have them in there? You really shouldn't smoke. It can hurt. Uy, may bully. The fake is right. I bet my mom smoked when she... Looky. Fisher is shitty. Physical Russian down. Are you trying to steal my girl, monster? Yan na. The only chance he has is to make out with the toilet. Nasuntukan na. By the smell of the breath. Yan, trash talk. The real talk. My handwriting. Haven't punched anyone. O yun, talagang magkakasuntukan na sila. Where do you think you're going? Hold him, guys. Please, Corey, let me go. Don't be afraid. I only hit your face once. If you mean with... Kakatamag magbasa. Promise. Come on, Corey, I'm right here. I'll have a talk with you later. I don't like you speaking with pizza face. Grabe naman sa pizza face. Papangit nyo nga. You hear that? The monster has some spine. You remember how it ended up last time? Punch his face to a pulp curry. It's kinda gross and punch his face. I guess, ding. Kawawa naman. Siyempre, protektahan natin yan. As long as you recognize you. You are so funny. Let's see if you can laugh. Nakasuntukan na tayo. Uy. Ankle break. Okay. Takbo. Paano sumuntok? Ayan. Basura. What was that? Adam, run. Bo. You're dead, monster. Did you hear me? I'm gonna kill you. Bla ka dyan. Rise home. 8 hours to the eclipse. Eclipse? Ano yan? Okay. Today's newspaper is in the mailbox. Ang gagawin natin dito, magnanakaw na naman tayo. I think I can push it. So, tutula na naman. Ayan. Huh? Ano to? I think I can push this object. Tinulak ko na nga. Tulak pa. Ano yan? Battery? May energy drink. Okay. Gamitin natin to. You can restore your energy using every drink. Okay. Energy. Okay. Hey guys. Anyone home? It doesn't look like they're here. Ask politely. Siyempre magalang tayong tao. Of course, we're gonna ask politely. Okay. Bato. Ano ba? Batuin natin yung salamin? Salamin sa malaking bahay. Yung tree house. Hey guys, yan ba yung helmet? Does it like? Yan, batuin mo. Stone. Okay, batuin natin. Toby, gawo, ba't kayo nandyan? Here's the smart one. You can play hooky. I went to school, but I had some bullying issues. Kasi pizza face daw eh. You can only imagine the perfect slugger. Toby, wait lang, boring dito men. Blah blah. Blue hair. Pogi ah. If I'm going home, stop right there. Hit. Okay. So, taas daw tayo. Ang gagawin natin dito. Tagal. Okay, tataas tayo. Yan, playing games. Adik talaga. Blah blah. Hate home of the city. Okay, so ito yung missing child. Yung kinontrol natin kanina. Okay. Now, gets ko na. Okay, child disappearing that night. A child went missing last night in the countryside of Mott Lake. The long-awaited total eclipse is finally here. The weather for this morning isn't looking great, but the National Weather Service is forecast sunny skies in the afternoon. Okay, so yung kinontrol natin kanina is yung bata. Kaya yun nawawala kasi hinanap niya yung aso niya. So ganun yun. Gets ko na. You bruise yourself to make it look like a Hillary. Damn. Yeah, she also likes to suck things. Damn, imaginary girlfriend. Anyways, I heard many horror stories about the countryside. It's a bullshit. Creepypasta stories and I'm gonna be trying to get. Maybe we can look around and find some So, pupunta sila doon. Grabe. Tatapang naman nila. Don't be a pussy. Toby, ay, may natatakot na isa. 100% survival instinct. Yung dalawang to, hindi ko na alam kung ilan yung survival instinct nila. Pero yung isang kasama nila, 100% survival instinct. Okay, magwa 1v1 sila. Siyempre tayo mananalo. Tayo yung bida men. Okay. Bust. Also, 7 hours to the eclipse. Are you helping me? Okay, so pupunta tayo. So nandito na tayo sa ito is different characters. Oh, so may mga character na yun. Okay, so yun lang muna guys. So bukas kukontinue natin tong game na to. So this is part 1 or episode 1. So let's continue tomorrow. Kasi pagkalam ko is mahaba talaga to. So abot nito na oras. So yeah. This is Make Wear. Peace out.